The moon's south pole, dark, mysterious, and full of secrets, now has an Indian visitor. 4 nations reached the moon, but only one reached that south pole, and that's India. Welcome back, explorers. Today we are diving into one of the biggest achievements in human space history. India's Chandrayaan-3 mission. The first successful landing near the moon's south pole. This is not just a win for India, it's a proud moment for the entire world of science and exploration. Let's find out how India made the impossible possible. The journey begins. India's journey to the moon began long before Chandrayaan-3. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, started its space adventure back in 1962, launching rockets from a small coastal village named Thumba. From those humble beginnings, India has become one of the top spacefaring nations in the world. The earlier missions, Chandrayaan-1 in 2008, India's first lunar mission, it discovered water molecules on the moon, a finding that changed how scientists saw our nearest neighbor forever. Chandrayaan-2 in 2019 aimed to land near the moon's south pole, but during its final descent, the lander lost communication and crashed. Still, the orbiter from that mission continues to circle the moon today, sending high-resolution images and acting as a relay for Chandrayaan-3. The comeback, Chandrayaan-3, India did not give up. Learning from the past, ISRO built Chandrayaan-3, a stronger, smarter, and simpler version of its predecessor. It consisted of a lander named Vikram and a rover named Pragyan, which means wisdom in Sanskrit. The spacecraft was launched on July 15, 2023 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center. It took almost a month to reach the moon's orbit, slowly adjusting its path before the final descent. The challenging landing. Landing near the lunar south pole was no easy task. This region has deep craters, uneven terrain, and very little sunlight, making it one of the toughest spots for any landing. Plus, because of the 3-second communication delay between Earth and the Moon, the lander has to make all final decisions autonomously. using its onboard computer, radar, and cameras. But on August 23, 2023, history was made. Chandrayaan-3 touched down safely, becoming the first spacecraft to land near the lunar South Pole. India joined an allied group, the USA, Russia, and China. But went one step further by exploring a place no one had reached before. What is special about the South Pole? The South Pole of the Moon is unique. Inside its permanently shadowed craters, temperatures can drop below minus 200 degrees Celsius, and scientists believe water ice lies hidden there. If confirmed, this water could be turned into drinking water, breathable oxygen, and even rocket fuel for future space missions, making it the perfect location for future moon bases. What did Chandrayaan-3 carry? The lander Vikram and rover Pragyan were equipped with scientific instruments to study the moon's surface. Caste Chandra surface thermophysical experiment measured the temperature of lunar soil at different depths. LRA, Lunar Retroreflector Array, reflected laser beams from Earth to measure the distance between the Moon and Earth precisely. LIBS, laser-induced breakdown spectroscope, analyze the elements in moon dust and rocks. APXS, alpha particle X-ray spectrometer, studied the chemical composition of the lunar surface. These tools help scientists understand what the moon is made of and how it evolved over billions of years. Working with Chandrayaan-2 orbiter, Chandrayaan-3 communicated with Earth through the Chandrayaan-2 orbiter, which is still orbiting the moon. This partnership allowed both missions to work together, sharing data and images of the South Pole region. Mission life and future plans. The lander and rover worked for one lunar day, about 14 Earth days, because after that, darkness and freezing cold would make it hard to operate. But in that short time, they delivered a treasure of data, images, and temperature readings. Their discoveries are helping scientists plan the next big step, Chandrayaan-4, a sample return mission that aims to bring moon soils back to Earth for study. Why this matters? Chandrayaan-3 is not just a space mission, it's a symbol of determination. It shows how a nation with limited resources can achieve incredible things through science, teamwork, and vision. It also reminds us that space belongs to everyone, and every new step helps humanity move forward. Future of lunar exploration. The moon is no longer just a distant rock, it's a gateway to deep space. With missions like Chandrayaan-3, we are one step closer to building lunar habitats, mining resources, and even launching mission to Mars and beyond from the moon itself. So, what do you think? Should humans build their first space base on the moon's south pole? Tell us your thought in the comment below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more amazing space stories. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring.